Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, he's taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Epson TM-S1000 or TM-S1000M236A check reader scanner, the Dysead AC adapter charger. This isn't just any replacement power supply. It's presented as a thoughtfully engineered solution designed to keep your essential equipment running smoothly and reliably. One of the first things that stands out about this Dysead adapter is its commitment to being environmentally friendly and well-designed. It's not just about functionality, it's also about a product that looks good and is conscious of its impact. The manufacturer emphasizes that this adapter has undergone multiple rounds of testing and validation to ensure perfect compatibility with the Epson TM-S1000 series. This rigorous testing means users can have confidence that when they plug it in, their scanner will receive the precise power it needs without any issues. Beyond just compatibility, this AC-DC power adapter is manufactured with high-quality materials, which speaks volumes about its durability and long-term performance. What's even more reassuring are the built-in protection features. This adapter comes equipped with safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. These protections are absolutely vital, as they shield both the adapter itself and, more importantly, the valuable Epson scanner from potential electrical damage, ensuring a longer lifespan for both. The design itself is quite practical. It boasts a compact form factor and low power consumption, making it an ideal choice whether someone needs to use their scanner at home, in the office, or even take it on the go. Its wall mount design and standard 2-pin main power connector make it straightforward to integrate into any setup. Now, a couple of important points for potential buyers to remember. Before making a purchase, it's always wise to double-check that the voltage of this adapter matches the specific requirements of your Epson device. Additionally, confirming that the cord tip size is an exact match for your scanner's power input is crucial to avoid any compatibility headaches. The package itself is simple and straightforward, containing one adapter replacement ready to power up your scanner. In essence, for those seeking a dependable, safe, and well-engineered power solution for their Epson TM-S1000 or TM-S1000M236A check reader scanner, this Dysead AC adapter charger appears to be a robust contender. It promises not just power, but peace of mind, knowing that your critical equipment is being supplied with a stable and protected energy source.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.